Agent Hub is where you get the most up-to-date information across all our institutions. Every institution, every resource, gathered into one central hub. On the homepage, What's New collects all the latest updates from across our institutions. Quick Links gives you fast access to the most useful resources, including tuition fees for every institution. Click NZ Institutions to see every institution in our New Zealand network. Pick an institution, then click View Resources. Prospectuses, flyers, and student stories. Every resource for that institution are in one place. When you are ready to apply, head to Submit Applications. This takes you straight to Up Enroller, where you create, submit, and track every application. And Up Resources holds everything else you need, including scholarship flyers, fees and tuition information, processes and guidelines. When you need to talk to someone, head to Contact Us. You'll find contact details for your regional manager and the admissions team at every institution. You can also check all the intakes for our private colleges in New Zealand. Pick a provider, then a course, to see every upcoming start date and campus. That's Agent Hub, your central hub for everything you need.